Alright, the warship came close. So, let's go check it out. Like and subscribe. still in Rijeka. My favorite movie of all time is, well, has to do with this restaurant we're at over here. Can you guess what it is? Ready? It's a burger place. Yeah, The Goonies. Place. Jen, Goonies never say die. Okay, we just got our burgers. I got the Goonies burger. Jen got a chicken... Ranch chicken. But these are the biggest burgers I've ever seen in my life. They're huge. Sweet potato fries, ketchup, Coke. Food rating. How was Goonies?
11 out of 10.
Yeah, it was really good. The burger was huge. It was totally worth it. So if you're in Rijeka, you gotta try it. It's just a little place here, right over here. A little place, but it's amazing. So what we're not looking forward to though is this crazy walk. I'm glad we don't have to go uphill though, so. Now I just don't feel like doing anything though. Actually, I feel pretty good. You gonna go have a drink?
Mm-hmm. Yes, we are.
All right.
Maybe two.
Oh, okay. So we're going right in there somewhere. That's cool.
Well, it was saying, what did I say? Like seconds away from the beach.
That's where we were. Yummy. They're making my swordfish back there. And Jen's chicken salad. Oh yeah.
Well. How was it?
Looks good, smells good. He wasn't too keen on me recording him over there. Like, mogę ja slikat malo tu. He's like, nas? I'm like, okolo. Like, okay. Anyway, look at right in the middle of my head. I think a mosquito got me. See that? They're picking the hell out of me, especially my legs and my ankles. nice romantic spot, isn't it?
It is, actually.
Look at that. That chicken salad looks fantastic. Check this out. That is a fillet of swordfish. Looks great. Looks like there's some butter for dipping. Whatever that is. Yum, yum, yum. I like that more than this, kind of.
Why?
I don't know. It looks so delicious. The
Wanna
chicken.
switch?
No. Alright. Bon appetit. Alright, we made it to Pula. We stopped at McDonald's so we can finally try the Big Mac, the French fries, and the chicken sandwich here. So, here's Big Mac. Looks pretty much the same. The fries, I already tried them. They taste the same. Do you want to take a bite of that first and let me know what you think? Wow, there's a lot of chicken in there.
They don't taste as salty. Anyway. What was this? The chili chicken?
Chili chicken.
Better than any chicken sandwich I had
In your life?
in Canada. Yeah, it's good.
Here, I'm gonna try the Big Mac. It's sloppy like they are in Canada. Exactly the same as Canada. Alright. Just got into Pula, checked in to this. It's kind of a crappy place, so I'll show you around anyway though. What's this flickering light? Huh, weird. Anyway. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know why it's flickering. There's this crappy balcony over here where, I mean, the views aren't very good. I mean, it's just the sea over there. Yeah, it's kind of a small balcony too. It can only fit like 20 people or something, so. Yeah, kind of a tiny TV built into the wall there. Who's that? Are these other stir sticks here? Are these the ones? What is this? I don't know. Fancy stuff. Anyway, okay, I don't know what you're showing us here. It's just a closet, some towels, and stuff. And then apparently there's a fridge down here. Oh, mini bar. What's this? Just drawers. Sure. For drying towels. And the shower. Never seen anything like that before. Interesting. Well, there you have it. Alright, just hanging out here at a private beach. Got some drinks. Oh yeah. Beach here. Alright, we're gonna do some exploring in Pula. In the water. Try again. He's on and look right here. There must be hundreds of them. Yeah. We're gonna try some fried ribica that my parents and Jen's parents were raving about when they were younger. Here they are. They're just little guys. There we go. They're hot. It's really good. They're salty. They're like chips.